Today's problem looks very scary, but it's a simple exponential equation question. Now, let's begin.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
From the given exponential question, 3 raised to the power n plus 5 plus x raised to the power x dividing 3 raised to the power x multiplying x raised to the power x plus 3 all under root equals 3. So we are asked to find n and x. So from the given exponential equation, we would first eliminate the roots by squaring both sides. So we have root 3 raised to the power n plus 5 plus x raised to the power x all on x raised to the power x plus 3 equals 3. So what we will do is we will square both sides, this squared, this squared. Now the square root gets rid of the power 2 and 3 raised to the power n plus 5 plus x raised to the power x dividing 3 raised to the power n by x raised to the power x plus 3 equals 9, which is 3 squared. So we would cross multiplying, taking this to this side of 9. Now we have 3 raised to the power n plus 5 plus x raised to the power x equals 9 multiplying 3 raised to the power n by x raised to the power x plus 3. So with our expression at our left hand side, we could simplify it this way by expanding 3 raised to the power n by 3 raised to the power 5, which is the same thing as this, plus x raised to the power x equals, multiplying this through, we have 9 by 3 raised to the power n x bracket close plus 9 multiplying 3 raised to the power 5, which is 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 3 3 9 9 3 27 27 3 81 81 3 2 4 3. So this is why we are getting 243 by 3 to the power n plus x raised to the power x equals 9 times 3, which is 27 plus 9 multiplying 3 raised to the power n by x raised to the power x. So at this juncture, we are going to substitute in or put in a certain value of x to find out what we would be getting. And since looking at this, we have some similarities. Now let's put in x equals 3. So if x equals 3, we have 2, 4, 3 multiplying 3 raised to the power n plus 3 raised to the power 3 equals 27 plus 9 multiplying 3 raised to the power n by 3 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 243 multiplying 3 raised to the power n, which is what we have over here, plus 27, which is 3 raised to the power 3 equals 27, which is this, plus 9 multiplying 3 raised to the power n by 3 raised to the power 3. 27 is getting rid of 27 because taking each to both sides cancels. 243 by 3n equals 9 multiplying this, so we have 9 by 3n by 3. So this is what we are getting. 243 by 3n equals 9 by, so we have a number here, 27, which is 3 raised to the power 3 by 9 multiplying 3 raised to the power n. Now 243 by 3n equals 27 by 9 also gives us 243. 27 by 9, 20 times 9, which is 180, 9 times 7, which is 63, 342. So 243 by 3n, and the expression at our left hand side is equal to the expression of our right hand side, meaning our value x from the equation is 3. The value x from the equation is 3, and then the value n is equal to all real numbers. N could be negative, it could be positive, and we are still going to get the same thing, since what we are getting here is equal to what we are getting here. N would be equal to all real numbers, and then x is equal to 3. So if this video was very helpful, kindly like, subscribe. Now it's your turn. Try solving a similar exponential equation and share your answer below. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's make math and science a reality together. I'm out. Thank you.